Hello, today is March 3rd. We're going to continue with the student task statements from Lesson 3, Unit 6. Yesterday we ended over here. Remember doing that? So today we're on 3.2. Again, you can do this on the PDF in Canvas, or you can continue doing this in your notebook. All right, so 3.2. Match each hanger to an equation. Complete the equation by writing X, Y, Z, or W in the empty box. I did the first one for you. We're going to combine number 1 and 2 together. All right, so all these hangers are balanced. This is basically 3x equals 6. And this is y, and then plus 3 equals 6. And this is 6 equals 3z. And this is 6 equals y plus 1. Match each hanger. This one here is blank plus 3 equals 6. I know that it's hanger B, so I put B here because this is y plus 3 equals 6. Y plus 3 equals 6. And then I'm going to find the solution. So we're going to mix 1 and 2 together. Y plus 3 equals 6, excuse me. So y equals 3 because isn't 3 plus 3 equals 6? All right. All you have to do is, if you're doing this in your notebook, just write 3.2 number 1 and write down these 4 equations, and then kind of do what I did. Plug in a variable, tell me what hanger it is, and then find the solution. Go ahead and pause the video, and then once you're ready, you can unpause, and you can see what I did. All right, this is 3 times blank equals 6. This is hanger A. Right? Hanger A. How I know that? Because see, this 6 here is on the right, and this 6 here is on the right. So X would be in here. X. Right? So 3 X's, 3 times X. So 3X is 1, 2, 3. And what does X equal? X equals 2. Because isn't 2 times 3, 6? That's how it's balanced. All right? Okay, the next one. 6 equals blank plus 1. It is hanger D. See this? W plus 1? So W plus 1. If this equals 6, what does W have to equal? Very good. W equals 5. So that means that the last one has to be C. And it's true because 3 Z's, right? 3 Z's. So 3 times Z. And then C equals what? 2. Because 3 times 2 equals 6. Again, I know the Z and the 2 looks alike, but this is a Z. All right? On 3.3, right? We are going to find the equation for this and then solve it as well. Look at these hangers and then go ahead and solve it as well. Just like what we did for 3.2. Give you some time to do that. When you're ready, unpause it. All right? So how did you do? If that's what you had? X plus 3 equals 8. 12 equals 2y. C equals 11. C is 11 equals 4z. And D is 13 4/5 equals W plus 3 and 4/5. All right. I have the word inverse up here because inverse is what we do to find what X equals. Now, you might have done this mentally in your head, but if you did it mentally in your head, that means you did it super fast. You found out the opposite of addition is subtraction. So that's minus and then 3. So what you do to that side, you do to this side. So what 8 minus 3? 5. So again, if you did it mentally in your head, that means you did this super fast. You found the inverse operation. Inverse operation of addition is subtraction. Now that's minus 3, so you do it on that side. Do you know why? Because we want to leave x by itself. We want to leave it isolated. Okay, we want to leave it isolated. So now x is by itself, x equals 5. That's how you do that. If we have 2y here, that's multiplication. The inverse operation of multiplication, the opposite of multiplication is division. So we divide each side by 2. What's 12 divided by 2? 6. So 6 equals y. And why do we do that? Because 2 divided by 2 is 1. Now y is isolated by itself, and it's 6. Okay? All right, this one, you would divide each side by 4 because right now it's a multiplication problem. The opposite of multiplication is division. You would do that. If you did it on your calculator, 11 divided by 4, z would equal 2.75. That would be z. All right, and then the last one, the inverse operation of addition is subtraction. So minus 3 and 4/5. All right. So what is 13 4/5 minus 3 and 4/5? That would be 10, huh? So W equals 10. And that makes sense. 10 plus 3 and 4/5 equals 13 and 4/5. All right. So that is the student task statement. Go back to this if you go back to this if you get a little confused and take a look at it. If not, and if it confuses you even more, write me a message on Canvas. Read this lesson summary. Okay, give you time to read it. Here you go. And this is also on Canvas too. So take a look and read that. Pause it and read it when you have a chance. All right. Your homework is to do 1, 2, 3. And then on number 3, don't do B, don't do C. I want you to write an equation and find the solution for x. So write the equation and find out what x equals. Okay, for number 3. And I wrote that in the directions on Canvas. And then on number 6, we're not doing number 6. So you can cross that out. We're not doing number 6. All right? So that's your homework. If you have any questions, let me know. We're going to have a quick mini assessment in math on Friday, and we're going to have an optional social studies assignment tomorrow. All right. Talk to you later. Thanks, guys.